What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin and baby Dogecoin today, but before we go over that, please hit the like button and subscribe. Helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want me to go over next, and also check out the links in the description for free stock with public.com, Robinhood, and Weeble. So let's get straight to it now. As you can see with Dogecoin here, we broke out of our consolidation here. We were waiting for this to happen. We knew it was going to happen, but yeah, we broke out of it, and now we're heading to our resistance at 31.50 and then eventually up to 35 cents. This is about to be really good right now because everything is going crazy in the crypto market, not just Dogecoin. As you can see, Dogecoin at 8.73% and at 11.72% in the last 7 days. Got Bitcoin up at 50K. That's huge right there. 5.6 percent inside the last 24 hours with Bitcoin, and then Ethereum 3.7K right here, 7.27, 7.26% in the last 24 hours. That's huge right there. But anyways, something I really want to mention here, Bitcoin's dominance is at 42%. Usually it's hovering around 44, 45%. So it's definitely strange seeing that. But anyways, other than that, we're doing really good inside the whole crypto market abroad. Whole entire crypto market is doing very well. So that's really good news. Now, everything but baby Dogecoin. We're going to go over baby Dogecoin today later on. But right now, we're going to go over Dogecoin first. So, yeah, as you can see here, we're working our way up to our resistance at 31.50. Let's go over our technical analysis here. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. So, let's get straight to it. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu resume bull rally underrated by copycats and fractionalized NFTs. So Dogecoin's last spinoff, DOG, represents fractional ownership of Shiba Inu's faced non-fungible token. So cryptocurrency analysis states that institutional short sellers of Dogecoin are pulling back and holds bullish outlook of Dogecoin. Then you got over here an important update on Doge nodes going on as well. So we're going to go over all that. So let's go over this. A collective of DeFi's earlier adopters and collectors offer millions of fractions of the Shiba Inu themed NFT at $1 each. Several copycat meme coins compete with Doge and SHIB for market share. So analysts sees further upside in Dogecoin and Shiba Inu as price rally continues. A Dogecoin analysis on crypto Twitter behind the handle of Doge Whisperer shared an update on the Doge network. It states that currently 205 computers are running Doge's newest update and calls more nodes to upgrade to 1.14.4 to secure the network and lower the transaction fees. So Doge is popularly used for making transactions, and a reduction in fees is set to increase the meme's adoption by businesses. So a lot of people are about to start using Dogecoin for transactions now. So over here, you can see the whole thing on here. Update on Dogecoin's nodes. 205 computers are currently running the newest update. More nodes need to upgrade to 1.14.4, and more new nodes are needed. So once a higher percent of new nodes are running, a new update will be released. It helps secure the network and lower the transaction fees. So big news going on here. We're about to be huge with Dogecoin here. But anyways, let's keep going. And now analysts have noted an increase in the number of Doge and SHIB copycat cryptocurrencies. Increasingly, Doge's new rival DOG is a fractionalized non-fungible token collectively owned by Pleaser DAO. So decentralized finance adopters and collectors have teamed up to form the Pleaser DAO, and this collective paid $4 million for the NFT that is set to be auctioned. So wow, they paid a lot of money for that NFT. A lot of money there. But anyways, let's go down to the Doge. We're going to skip the Shiba Inu section. Now, Doge is FX Street analysis. Evaluate Doge as it approaches stiff resistance on its way to the next target at 40 cents. So yes, we have a 40-cent target here with Dogecoin. I do believe that we'll reach it, but first we got to pass that 35 cents. And then, after we pass that resistance, we'll also have to pass that 40-cent resistance. So I definitely believe we could do this very easily inside Dogecoin. But yeah, everything is going crazy inside of the crypto market. Like I said, like really good news out of everything. Even Shiba Inu is going up a little bit. Shiba Inu up 4.47%. Surprising because it's been going down a lot. But anyways, look at this. These Dogecoin whales are taking they're taking a lot of profits, but a lot of them aren't. A lot of them are just putting in a bunch of money. Look, $27.7 million in on a one-time purchase. These Dogecoin whales are going crazy right here with these one-time purchases. That's a lot of money for one time. And then you got this Dogecoin whale coming in at 20.5 million. They're taking advantage of this pricing of Dogecoin. Yesterday they bought in at 28 cents, and now they're seeing their money grow just like that really fast. So really good news here. 9.3 million here in this Dogecoin whale wallet. So yeah, these Dogecoin whales are really profiting. Now this is a lot of money right here. $404,000. I mean, but look, they've been purchasing over days and days and days. This is probably the best method to buy Dogecoin. Like day after day after day, buying a little bit of Dogecoin. And to them, $1 million is probably a little bit. But yeah, day after day, it's better to buy it instead of buying all at once, because then that's how you're going to lose out a lot of money. Now, let's talk about the Dogecoin Foundation and Dogecoin 2.0. I'm making a video on Dogecoin 2.0, by the way, but let's go over this. So Dogecoin Foundation demands copycat meme coin Dogecoin 2.0 is to change its name. So this is crazy right here. So the Dogecoin Foundation has issued a statement distancing itself from a new copycat project called Dogecoin 2.0, firing off legal demands that the meme coin change its name. In a letter published on Tuesday, the Dogecoin Foundation asserts it has engaged brand protection lawyers to contact Dogecoin 2.0's developers in a bid to protect the Dogecoin community from being misled and to protect the Dogecoin name from possible misuse. So Dogecoin 2.0's website indirectly throws shade at the original K9 themed cryptocurrency. So over here it says Dogecoin 2.0 aims to offer investors prolonged growth in utilizing a much more sustainable tokenomics structure than its somewhat inflated predecessor. So yeah, they're hating on Dogecoin here. And now the foundation's letter states that Dogecoin enthusiasts, or sheeps as they call them, have raised concerns about the new project. While the community has historically welcomed new crypto projects, the foundation accuses Dogecoin 2.0 of co-opting the Dogecoin brand and reputation for its advantage. So Dogecoin 2.0 was launched at the start of May on the Binance Smart Chain. Doge 2 is currently trading at 0.04 cents after gaining more than 100% in 24 hours with less than $100,000 worth of daily volume. The public statement comes just weeks after the formal restoration of the Dogecoin Foundation. After a 6-year hiatus, the foundation will support core developers and projects working on Dogecoin and has attracted support from leading crypto figures, including Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin and Tesla CEO Elon Musk. So Dogecoin has seen a huge price and popularity, blah, 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 blah. Let me just talk about Dogecoin here. But anyways, there are a lot of copycats out there, but Doge 2.0 directly disrespects Dogecoin, and it sounds too close to Dogecoin. They were trying to make it sound like it's the new Dogecoin. So that's why we got to get rid of it, I guess. But yeah, I was going to do a video on Dogecoin 2.0. I'm not too sure if I should now because they'll probably change the name soon. But anyways, let's move on to our next thing here. That's Baby Dogecoin. Baby Dogecoin is doing terrible. Like, that's completely terrible. Everything else aside the crypto market is going crazy, going parabolic, going up big time. Look at this. Literally, everything is up big time. And then you go over to Dogecoin. Dogecoin's up. And then you look at Baby Dogecoin, but Baby Dogecoin down 14.9% in the last 24 hours. That's terrible. Down 31% in the last 7 days. 34% in the last 14 days. 47% in the last 30 days. Baby Dogecoin is doing terrible. I gotta say it because if no one else is gonna say it, I'm going to say it. I don't see that many people on YouTube talking bad about Baby Dogecoin, but I guess I'm gonna be one of those people today that's gonna talk down on it because let's be completely honest, like 14% down while everything else is going crazy, like that's crazy. Like literally, Baby Dogecoin has not been up in the last since it's been released. Actually, I can't even name an actual date where it's been up. Since it's been released, it's been going down. But look at this. Look at this. Everything is going crazy, and Baby Dogecoin is doing terrible. You got Solana up 68% the last 7 days. You got all this stuff going crazy. Then you got Baby Dogecoin doing these kind of numbers. So yeah, Baby Dogecoin has to step it up. The whales are really destroying Baby Dogecoin. Let's be completely honest. Whenever we see all these huge price actions, then a huge drop right after, it's because the whales are manipulating the prices. And then once you see here, we're having some of a buying here. And that's just because everything else in the crypto is going up. Everything in the crypto market's going up. So Baby Dogecoin inevitably goes up. But the second it goes up, it starts to go down. So look, this little price action right here moving up. Now we're about to go right back down. So yeah, Baby Dogecoin is doing very terrible right now. And another thing about it, 582,000 people. So many people keep investing in the Baby Dogecoin. Like yesterday it was like 581,000, something like that. But now it's 582,000. And yet it keeps going down. Like 582,427. Hit that refresh button. 582,445. So people keep investing in it, but whales keep selling out as people are buying into baby Dogecoin. So that's why I really can't trust all of these whales and stuff. Anyways, I don't believe baby Dogecoin is gonna continue to go down all of its life cycle. I do believe baby Dogecoin could prevail. I do believe that it could continue to rise, but for right now, like, it's just doing so terrible that I wouldn't even advise anyone to invest in it. And I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but me personally, I'm not gonna invest in baby Dogecoin right now because it's doing terrible. Now, right now would be the best time probably to buy in, just in case it did have some random parabolic price action. But I'm not going to take the risk on it. So you can take the risk if you want. I definitely believe that baby Dogecoin could grow in the future, though. That's one thing I'm going to say about it. But anyways, even with this whole winning thing with BitForex, they're still going down. But anyways, this is all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. But if you do like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull and Public.com. And I'll be back with a video. Peace.